Risotto should be velvety and creamy like porridge, never clumpy. My homemade chicken stock, 4 cups. Reduced to a simmer. 2 shallots, minced. 2 garlic cloves, minced. Straight side 12-inch saute pan, size matters. Medium heat, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. Add the shallot, kosher salt, pepper. Saute 2 to 3 minutes. Add the garlic, about 30 seconds. Farnaroli or arborio rice, 1 1/3 cup. Toast the rice 1 to 2 minutes. Half a cup Chardonnay, 30 seconds. Make it a good one. Ladle in some chicken stock, medium-low heat. This is a gentle, slow process. Don't walk away. Keep stirring. My freshly roasted pumpkin puree. Add the pumpkin. You want to add just enough stock so all the rice is covered, but not swimming. A little bit at a time. Keep stirring. Once it drinks in the stock, add a little more. 6 to 8 fresh sage leaves. See the texture right here? Time to add more stock. Just enough to evenly coat and slowly release the starch. Don't rush it. It'll take about 25 to 30 minutes. Be patient. Reduce the last round of stock by half. Keep stirring. Remove the sage. At the end, hit it. Kosher salt. This is the consistency you want right here. At the heat. 2 tablespoons cold mascarpone. 2 tablespoons cold unsalted butter. Parmigiano Reggiano. Serve immediately. Chives, because you fancy. Fried sage, because you're extra fancy. Look at that.